I hope you guys are ready to have your socks blown off because this is the ROG Zephyrus Duo 15 and it might just be one of the most ridiculous laptops you've ever seen. Now, obviously, this is the box, not the laptop. The laptop is hidden inside, and when you open up the box the first time, it lifts itself out in that awesome sideways manner. But that isn't what makes this laptop so cool. What makes this laptop cool is it does something that I have never seen a gaming laptop do before. Now, obviously, when I'm in my normal gaming setup here, I got a monitor over there, I got a monitor here that I play the game on, and I got a third monitor right there, meaning I can be playing games while having Spotify up, watching YouTube, recording software, editing software, pretty much whatever I want. The point is, I can multitask. But on a laptop, you've normally only got the one monitor. Well, that is not the case with the ROG Zephyrus Duo 15, and let me show you why. That's right, guys. This laptop has a second monitor built in. That main screen you see there is a 300 hertz full HD display, meaning you can use it for gaming, content production, pretty much whatever you want, meaning you can change between whether or not you want to have super smooth gameplay or if you want to go into a bit more of a battery saving mode. It's got an RTX 2080 Super GPU. It's also got an Intel 10th Gen i9 CPU and a Thunderbolt 3 port, meaning you can have connection speeds of up to 40 gigabytes a second with. Now, I know you're thinking, Muselk, a second monitor on a laptop. What exactly am I going to use that for? Well, let me tell you. What can't you use it for? Check this out. Right now, I'm playing Fortnite while watching myself play Fortnite, while also watching Booger play Fortnite, or even when new Fortnite weekly challenges come out, put a cheat sheet down there so I can be seeing where I need to go to complete each challenge while playing the game on the main screen. Basically, it's all the amazing things I can do at my full recording studio setup, but on a laptop. And it also has a 1 terabyte SSD drive. So yeah, long story short, this is quite possibly the single most insane gaming laptop I think I've ever seen. If you've been looking to get your hands on something that is just absolutely out of control in terms of power, and also something you can use as a content creator or for pretty much anything else, then this is definitely an awesome laptop to check out, and I'm going to have more information on it in the description. But all right, guys, without further ado, let's get into the video.